Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will show you how to add image background in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's get started. Open a PDF file and go to Tools menu. Click the Edit PDF and click the More and Background. Add background. Click the file and browse. Select a image and adjust the image. Reduce the image opacity. Reduce the percentage. And click OK. Now check the my image background is added to my document. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.